Eve, and tomorrow we are going to celebrate Christmas. So, I'm sitting in my balcony listening to Christmas carols. Behind me are the yellow bell flowers, also called as Gori Chori in Hindi. I will not talk about these flowers as I've already spoken about them earlier. But today I'm going to speak about a unique bird. These birds survive on flower nectars and are spider hunters and insect killers. They have a wonderful combination of the brightest colors: scarlet, purple, green, yellow and blue. And the local migratory birds. Let's take a look at them. There we see a female sunbird enjoying nectar party on yellow bell flowers. How I know it's a female, I will tell you later on in this video. Now we see a male sticking out its tongue, and this is how they suck nectar from the flowers. The male birds are larger and have more vibrant colors. The female one is sober, and this is how we differentiate between a male and a female sunbird. Here we can see a male dancing and trying to impress the female. It's a wonderful video. Take a close look. The difference between a male and a female sunbird can be seen clearly over here. Thanks to the great photographer Ramanand Tripathi uncle, whose clip I have showed you here. These sunbirds have a very unique voice as well. I'm sure you have heard these sounds a lot. They're very shiny and glossy, but we don't know from which nation or language the word sunbird has originated. But looks like because of the shine in the feathers, they are called sunbirds. These birds have small wings and long tails, but male birds' tails are longer than the females'. They are often confused with hummingbirds, but they are very different species. These sunbirds mostly feed on nectar, but they also eat fruits, insects and spiders. And that's why they are called spider hunters and insect killers. These birds can easily be seen in gardens with flowering plants. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Wish you Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye-bye. Jingle bells, jingle all the way.